Now as you come up these stairs, this is what you see for the front entrance of the house. That is the window going to the second bedroom, which has a full view of that pond from the bed. The entrance door area. Going up to the front, just a bunch of plants and orchids and stuff hanging on these arches. You can see the reflective windows. You can't see in the house from the daytime. You can see in from the night when the lights are on. From the outside, all you see is a reflection of the forest behind you. And you continue on this way, out through this arch. And the sidewalk's kind of curvy and funky. And there's a view of the big shop over there. Parking for 2-3 cars here. A little shop over here that has a pit if you're a car guy and you like to do oil changes or whatever you care to do. It's got a separate electrical system, one for lighting. The bigger shops over there, that'll be another video. This is the entrance to the 2-car garage, which is now really a shop because I've got this welding table out front, which probably will stay if you desire, or I'll get rid of it. It's a real nice welding table. And then inside is a full 2-car garage. All metal shelving with expanded metal so the dust doesn't retain. Separate electrical system again, 220 there, 220 inside. The washer and dryer inside. All my welding equipment, and these of course are the security bars, cameras, an alarm system. The air system runs from here over in that little shed and up to that shop. It's 5 horsepower, 2-stage, 80-gallon jam up air system. Next video.